Bro!
At 4:06
Bro!
a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Granger for 8 miles north.
You kidding me?
Times, moving north at 30 miles per
Let
hour.
me chill!
Hazard, quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Let me chill, bro!
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles
Oh,
is
yeah.
expected. Locations impacted include Luther,
Yeah.
Madrid, and Woodward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Boone, and Dallas. This is a high wind warning
Alright!
for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Jasper. The following impacts are expected. High wind warning remains in effect from 1 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Boone, and Dallas. Will blow down trees and power lines. Some power outages are expected. Travel will
Alright.
especially for high-profile vehicles. Watch for
Yeah, I'm gonna.
entry limits.
Why are you not going off?
Use caution if you must drive.
Wow, I think I got a broken one.
This is
Alright, well, I'm gonna replace this 120 here, and I'm gonna end recording.
Transmitting on 100.
Let's see what else we get.
0.5